Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Google Ads data to Power BI. Whether you want real-time dashboards or just need to analyze your latest campaigns, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know the different methods available and which one will best suit your needs. Let's dive into the options, starting with a common question. Can you connect Google Ads directly to Power BI? Power BI actually comes with a lot of built-in connectors, but here's the catch. It only has a direct connector for Google BigQuery, not for Google Ads itself. That means if you're looking for a simple, straight-out-of-the-box connection, you're going to need to look at some alternative approaches. Now, if you want to connect directly to Google Ads using the API, this is possible, but it's a little more advanced. First, you'll need to head over to the Google Cloud Console and enable the Google Ads API for your project. You'll be creating an OAuth client ID, which gives you the credentials required for secure access. This step is like getting a key that tells Google, hey, this app is allowed to see my data. Next, in Power BI Desktop, you'll go to Get Data, choose the web option, and enter the API endpoint URL, which you can find in the Google Ads API documentation. Make sure you swap in your specific customer ID. Now, this method does require authentication with OAuth 2, and setting up the token exchange and refresh process can seem daunting if you haven't worked with APIs before. So don't worry if it feels complicated, that's totally normal. If you're comfortable working with API tokens and data queries using Power Query's M language, this approach gives you lots of flexibility. But for most people, it's probably best reserved for those with a bit of technical experience. For many organizations, the most common and scalable method is to use Google BigQuery as a middle step. If your Google Ads data is being exported to BigQuery, you can simply select BigQuery as your data source in Power BI. You'll authenticate with your Google account, then browse for the specific dataset containing your Google Ads information. This setup is especially powerful if you already store your marketing data in BigQuery. Think of it as a kind of central train station for all your analytic data, making it easy to bring everything into Power BI for unified reporting. This route does require that you set up or request data exports from Google Ads to BigQuery, but once it's running, you get robust, automated access for all your analysis. Maybe you want something even simpler without writing code or configuring cloud exports. That's where third-party connectors come in. Tools like Supermetrics, Windsor, AI, Power My Analytics, or Fivetran are designed to bridge the gap between Google Ads and Power BI. With these, you typically install their connector or get a custom API URL. Then in Power BI, you use Get Data from Web, authenticate, and just load your campaign data, impressions, clicks, conversions, the works. Many marketers use these because they wrap up all the technical complexity for you, offering plug-and-play solutions that just work. And last, a super straightforward option, manual file export. In Google Ads, you can download reports as CSV or Excel files. Then in Power BI, simply import these files using the Get Data option. If you want to stay up to date, you can automate it by scheduling regular exports and refreshing Power BI. It's perfect for beginners or if you only need static snapshots rather than live dashboards. So there you have it, 5 methods from technical APIs to simple CSV uploads to get your Google Ads data into Power BI. I hope this helped shine some light on the process and helped you decide which approach is best for your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions you have down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI and analytics tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.